I've literally destroyed my wrist every time I've attempted this. So let's see if I can do one of them right. Oh, see? Why does that always happen? You. All right, I need your help deciding where to put this last light. Where these two little blue stickers are, those are my options. Pretend these don't exist, those will be covered up. There's a light right here. So my first option is to keep it in line with this light. My second option would be to center it between this soffit, so it's more of like a light when you walk in and you see it. I just can't decide which would look better. Let me know in the comments what you think.